Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I am CS Sudhir. Mr. Krishna has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, what is the difference between mutual funds and ULIPs? ULIPs refers to unit linked insurance plans. So let me help you understand. First thing is, a lot of insurance agents, they confuse you by saying, okay, no, this is better than mutual funds. So now I want you to understand the difference between these two plans completely today. So earlier what was happening, the mutual funds used to have a higher commission because there was only one direct plan, regular plans. Direct plans were not there. When direct plans were not there, the mutual funds fund management charges used to be almost upwards of 2% in equity plans, 2.25, 2.5%. Even today there are some plans of that nature, but because of direct plans, you have the expense ratio as low as 0.4, 0.5%, right? But in case of ULIPs, your expense ratio of the fund management charges is almost 1%, 1.25%, 1.5%. But then what is not there in mutual fund is there in ULIPs when it comes to charges. This is an extra charge which you have to pay at the time of starting the policy. Every year you may have to pay a small premium allocation charges. Basically that goes as a commission to those salespeople and the agents. So I want you to understand the charges wise, mutual funds are very good. In fact, low charges, comparatively very low charges. So it makes sense to go with mutual funds. So next, if I have to look at, there's something called switching. Switching means I have invested ₹1 lakh in ULIPs and that's an equity plan. But now I know that the market is in its peak and it's going to crash. Then I can switch that money from equity to debt without actually liquidating the plan, without really exiting the plan. So but that flexibility is not there in case of mutual funds. But mutual fund gives you that flexibility. There is no exit load. Since there is no exit load, you can switch anytime. You can move from here to there. You can exit from this and take it to liquid funds. All that possibility is available. But then there is no switching option in mutual funds. That's the second point. And that way, mutual fund is not so advantageous. And the third one is the insurance coverage. In case of mutual fund, there is no insurance coverage. In case of ULIP plans, there is by default 10 times of your 10 times of your annual premium as the life cover. But I don't want you to mix life cover with ULIP plan because investment should not be mixed with insurance. So it's not a good idea at all. And the fourth one is tenure. Mutual fund can be started even for 5 days, 10 days. You have overnight funds, one night you can invest. But insurance is not like that. You have minimum lock-in of 3 years, right? So that makes it very complicated. Why do you want to lock your money, right? When you have to invest in mutual funds. Insurance, you take term insurance. Don't mix these two. I don't recommend you going for it. At one point, I used to suggest going for ULIP for long term because ULIPs used to have a lesser fund management charges, but because of the direct plans now, direct plans offers you very less expense ratio or what you call as fund management charges. That's why it's always good to go for mutual funds for investments, and for insurance you can go with term insurance. And other flexibilities, mutual fund offers you a lot of flexibilities. You can take out whenever you want, you can exit, invest whenever you want. All these things are possible in mutual funds, but that flexibility is not available in ULIPs. That too, first 3 years you can't do it, and that too, if you go with regular plans, you have to pay minimum 3-year premium, and all that is there. Keeping that in mind, my suggestion is to go with direct mutual funds, nothing else. That's the suggestion I've got. In fact, I have a course on this in Financial Freedom as well. Please check Financial Freedom app to check this course. And on Financial Freedom app, you must check out the 57 courses we've got. We've got courses in personal finance, career, business, farming, and life skills. And all these courses are designed by experts. These courses will change your life. Please watch these courses. And if you have any questions related to these subjects, please post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.